Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best laptop camera cover is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone who uses a laptop for video calls, online meetings, or simply browsing the web. In today's digital age, privacy and security are paramount, and with the increasing sophistication of cyber threats, protecting your webcam from unauthorized access has never been more critical. This simple yet effective gadget provides a physical barrier, ensuring that your camera is off when you want it to be, giving you peace of mind and control over your digital footprint. Number 5. CloudValley Metal Laptop Camera Cover Slide. Are you concerned about your privacy when using your devices? Our webcam cover provides the ultimate peace of mind for your laptops, tablets, and computers. Crafted from premium space aluminum alloy, this cover boasts a subtle yet elegant design. It perfectly complements the aesthetic of your high-end devices. At just 0.023 inches thin, you won't even notice it's there. It ensures your laptop closes perfectly without any interference. This versatile cover works seamlessly with a vast range of devices. From MacBooks and PCs to iPads and tablets, it's designed to fit most webcams. Applying it is incredibly simple. Just align, attach, and press firmly for a few seconds. It won't obstruct your webcam or the indicator light. Each purchase comes with 2 of our durable metal webcam covers. You'll also find an easy-to-follow installation guide included. What we like. This option is incredibly thin, ensuring your laptop closes without any issues. It offers broad compatibility across many devices, making it a versatile choice. If you're looking for a reliable and discreet way to protect your privacy on multiple devices, this is a solid pick. What people say. The sliding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. It fits perfectly on my laptop and doesn't add much bulk. The cover provides a good sense of security, knowing my camera is protected when not in use. Number 4. EYSOFT Webcam Cover. Are you concerned about your privacy and security online? This webcam cover is designed to keep your personal space safe from potential hackers. With a simple finger movement, you can easily slide it open when you need to use your camera. It's also incredibly thin, so it won't interfere with closing your laptop. This cover is only 0.022 inches thick, ensuring it won't add bulk to your device. It features a strong adhesive that stays put but can be removed without leaving residue. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, desktops, tablets, and smartphones. You can use it on almost any device with a camera. Need to clean the slider? It can be easily taken apart into 2 pieces for cleaning and then reassembled. Maintaining it is simple and straightforward. What we like. Featuring a movable slider, this cover allows for easy opening and closing with just a finger. Its strong adhesive ensures it stays put, yet can be removed without residue. If you value ease of use and a secure, long-lasting attachment, this is the one for you. What people say. The sliding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, allowing quick access to the camera when needed and secure closure when not in use. It effectively blocks the camera lens, providing peace of mind against unauthorized access or accidental activation. The slim profile ensures it doesn't add bulk to the laptop, maintaining a sleek aesthetic and preventing interference with screen closure. Number 3. MESMOS 6PK Laptop Camera Cover Slide, Plants. Introducing our adorable camera covers, designed to blend privacy with a touch of charm. They're the perfect gift for anyone who loves plants and wants to protect their devices. These covers are designed to work with a wide range of devices. From your smartphone and tablet to your laptop and computer, they offer seamless protection. Our webcam covers are incredibly thin, ensuring your laptop can still close perfectly. Enjoy peace of mind without any added bulk. Enhance your smartphone's selfie camera privacy with these stylish sliders. They're also a fantastic addition to your laptop and computer accessories. Applying them is a breeze, and they remove cleanly without leaving any sticky residue. Protect yourself from unwanted access and hackers effortlessly. Feel good about your purchase. A portion of the proceeds from every sale goes to the Single Parent Project, making this more than just an accessory, it's a contribution to a vital cause. What we like. This option combines privacy with a touch of personality, featuring cute designs that are perfect for personalizing your devices. It also supports a noble cause with a portion of proceeds donated. If you want to add some flair to your tech and feel good about your purchase, this is a great choice. What people say. The sliding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. It fits perfectly on my laptop and doesn't obstruct the camera view when open. The cover provides a good sense of security, knowing my camera is protected when not in use. Number 2. Eyebloc Nanobloc Universal Camera Blocker Kit. Experience a seamless and secure setup in seconds. Unlike traditional sticker covers, it leaves no residue, making it a perfect choice for your privacy needs. This set includes 7 camera covers in various shapes, ideal for different devices. The special material allows for repeated use, simply rinse with water to restore its stickiness. Whether at home or on the go, it offers cutting-edge protection for your privacy and data. Ensure your camera is covered against hacking and unauthorized access. It stands out with its thinnest magnetic covers in various artistic designs. Perfect for adding a touch of style to your accessories while ensuring security. These compact and stylish camera covers are compatible with a wide range of devices. They are ideal for anyone seeking privacy with style. What we like. Utilizing unique nano-suction technology, this cover is reusable and leaves no residue, making it incredibly versatile. It comes with multiple shapes for different devices. If you appreciate a residue-free, reusable solution and want options for various cameras, this is an excellent option. What people say. The sliding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. It fits perfectly on my laptop and doesn't add much bulk. Provides peace of mind knowing my camera is covered when not in use. Number 1. PYS Magnetic Privacy Screen for MacBook Air 15.3 inch. Attention MacBook Air 15-inch owners. Meet your new secret weapon, the PYS Magnetic Privacy Screen. It's more than just a protector, it's your pass to a private show starring your device. Ever feel like your MacBook is a celebrity, and everyone wants a glimpse of its screen? Activate stealth mode with our magnetic privacy screen. It's like giving your device a sleek, secret agent suit. Installation is so fast, you'll think it's magic. Our magnetic sorcery means no more wrestling with sticky tape. It's the screen protector that practically puts itself on. Worried about prying eyes? Our privacy screen ensures that your display is for your eyes only. 2 bonus sliding magnetic camera covers add an extra layer of security. We don't just protect, we elevate. Enjoy a reduction in blue and UV light, like a spa day for your device. With a matte, anti-scratch surface, get ready for a display so clear, it's like laser eye surgery. Upgrade your MacBook status from must-see to invite-only. Because your device's secrets are safe with us. Buy now and let the privacy party begin. What we like. This product offers a magnetic attachment for incredibly fast and easy installation, with no sticky tape needed. It also includes a privacy screen function for enhanced security. If you're a MacBook user looking for a premium, hassle-free privacy solution that combines screen protection with camera coverage, this is the ultimate upgrade. What people say. The sliding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. It fits perfectly on my laptop and doesn't add much bulk. The cover effectively blocks the webcam when not in use, providing privacy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.